Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about Mir Sultan Khan. Sultan Khan was a servant in the house of Sir Umar Hayat Khan. He learned the rules of Indian chess when he was just 9. However, Indian chess had different rules with regard to stalemates and pawn promotions, and it's different from the modern chess that we play nowadays. By the age of 21, he was regarded as the strongest player in his state, of Indian chess of course. Sir Umar decided to move to London and took Sultan with him. It was in London that Sultan Khan's true chess genius shone brightly. Sultan Khan could neither speak, read or write English. This meant that he could not study the large amounts of opening theory that was present at the time. Also, learning chess in England was very hard because he often had to learn from his own competitors and there was a huge language barrier. He often needed a translator. Sultan was also unable to acclimatize to the English cold. He often suffered from a cold or influenza, which would obviously trouble him while preparing for his games. It is said that whenever he came to play a match, he would wear a big Punjabi turban on his head and a warm muffler. Despite all of this, he was able to play chess at a very high level. He is often referred to as the greatest natural player of modern times because he heavily relied on his instinct. He made up for his lack of knowledge in opening theory by displaying exemplary endgame skills. His tournament results were also very good. Sultan Khan won the British Chess Championship 3 times and finished second and third in many very strong tournaments across Europe, finishing in these positions behind players such as Max Euwe, Alexander Ayekin and Jose Raul Capablanca. His international chess career came to an end when Sir Umar took him back to India in December 1933 after just 5 years. For some odd reason, he decided not to teach his children the game of chess and told them to do something better with their lives. He later died in complete obscurity in 1966 of tuberculosis. Sadly, FIDE never awarded him with the Grandmaster title. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon for more chess.